Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring a mix of rare and timeless machines. Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,900, South Hadley, Massachusetts. The 1975 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is a true symbol of classic American motorcycling, known for its distinctive engine design and strong custom culture following. This particular bike presents as a solid vintage example with a raw, authentic character, featuring a classic pogo seat that adds to its old-school appeal. While not described as a show bike, it carries the kind of honest condition that many enthusiasts appreciate. Currently, the motorcycle is not running due to a leaking carburetor and an intermittent starter relay issue. However, these are relatively common fixes for a bike of this era, making it a suitable project for someone familiar with vintage Harley mechanics. The seller is open to working with the buyer if additional help is needed after purchase, making this a flexible opportunity to bring a shovelhead back to life. Number 2. 1979 Kawasaki KZ1000 ST, $5,500, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. The 1979 Kawasaki KZ1000 ST is a powerful and well-regarded Japanese classic, known for its strong inline-4 engine and reliable shaft drive system. This example has been completely restored and is presented in excellent condition, making it a standout option for riders seeking both performance and classic styling. Its like-new condition reflects the level of care and attention given during the restoration process. Mechanically, the bike starts easily and runs exceptionally well, offering a smooth and responsive riding experience. The shaft drive adds convenience by reducing maintenance compared to chain-driven models. With its combination of performance, reliability, and restored condition, this KZ1000 ST is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a ready-to-ride vintage Kawasaki. Number 3. 1967 BSA Lightning, $8,900, Keokuk, Iowa. The 1967 BSA Lightning is a legendary British motorcycle, and this particular example takes it a step further as a professionally built Trackmaster-style flat tracker. Featuring a comprehensive restoration and performance-focused upgrades, it represents a serious machine built with racing in mind. The engine has been fully rebuilt with racing valves, upgraded cams, and a refreshed head, delivering strong performance and an aggressive character. Additional highlights include Borelli wheels, a Barnes knockoff hub, Sariani front forks, and half-mile racing pipes, all contributing to its authentic flat-track setup. With new Dunlop tires and a lightweight racing configuration, the bike is ready for track use and offers an exhilarating riding experience. This is not just a classic, it's a purpose-built vintage racer with significant attention to detail. Number 4. 1974 Yamaha DT250, $4,500, Port Charlotte, Florida. The 1974 Yamaha DT250 is a highly regarded dual-sport motorcycle from the golden era of lightweight off-road machines. Known for its durability and versatility, this model has become increasingly collectible, especially in original condition. This example is described as 95% original, with only around 2,000 miles, making it a rare find for enthusiasts seeking authenticity. The engine runs strong, and the bike retains key original features, including paint, seat, and even the factory toolkit. The gas tank is notably clean, and while the front tire is new, a replacement rear tire is also included but not yet installed. With its original title and well-preserved condition, this DT250 offers a genuine vintage riding experience with strong collector appeal. Number 5. 1951 AJS 18S, $6,200, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The 1951 AJS 18S is a classic British single-cylinder motorcycle that reflects the simplicity and charm of post-war engineering. Powered by a 500cc single, it delivers a smooth and steady riding experience that has made it a favorite among vintage enthusiasts. This example is described as a strong runner, having recently received fresh service to ensure it remains in good operating condition. While it shows minor signs of age, such as small dings, the bike is overall clean and well presented, maintaining its authentic character. With a valid Tennessee title and registration, it is ready for use or display. As an iconic model from AJS, this 18S represents a timeless piece of British motorcycling history, with both usability and collector value. Number 6. 1973 Honda CB100, $2,000, Olwine, Iowa. The 1973 Honda CB100 is a lightweight and approachable classic street bike, well known for its simplicity and reliability. This example retains its vintage charm and has been a running motorcycle as recently as last year, making it a solid candidate for a light recommissioning. Its compact size and easy handling have long made the CB100 a favorite among both beginners and collectors of small displacement classics. The bike comes with an aftermarket carburetor currently installed, while the original carburetor is also included and can be rebuilt for a more authentic setup. It features 2 new tires and a relatively recent battery, adding to its usability. With a clean title and the option for offers or trades, this CB100 represents an affordable entry into vintage Honda ownership. Number 7. 1958 Norton Nomad, $12,000, Asheville, North Carolina. The 1958 Norton Nomad is a rare and historically significant motorcycle with only 500 units produced, making it a highly collectible piece of British motorcycling history. Originally designed as a desert racer, it reflects an early era of off-road competition, with some examples even competing in events like the Big Bear Run. Of the total production, only 450 were imported to the United States, further enhancing its rarity. Powered by a 600cc version of the Dominator engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, this bike has been thoughtfully upgraded for regular riding while maintaining much of its original character. The approach taken preserves its authenticity without turning it into a purely static display piece. For collectors and enthusiasts, this Nomad offers a unique combination of rarity, history, and real-world usability. Number 8. 1979 Suzuki GS550, $2,000, Boone, Iowa. The 1979 Suzuki GS550 is a well-balanced vintage standard motorcycle, appreciated for its smooth inline-4 engine and dependable performance. This example is described as running great, making it a practical choice for those seeking a classic bike that can still be enjoyed on the road. Its manageable size and responsive nature make it both fun and accessible to a wide range of riders. Upgrades include a Dyna electronic ignition system, improving reliability over the original setup, along with recently installed front and rear tires. With its combination of solid mechanical condition and affordable price point, this GS550 offers strong value for anyone looking to step into vintage Japanese motorcycles without taking on a major project. Number 9. 1972 Triumph T100, $4,000, Rutherfordton, North Carolina. The 1972 Triumph T100 is a classic British twin known for its lightweight feel and engaging riding experience. This particular bike features a rebuilt 1970 T100C engine, which, while not numbers matching, has been comprehensively refreshed with new bearings, seals, oversized pistons, and updated valve components. With over 700 miles since the rebuild, it has been properly run in and is described as performing reliably. The motorcycle runs and shifts well, with all essential components such as lights and brakes functioning as expected. It also features a new front tire and a good rear tire, making it road-ready. Owned and maintained by someone with decades of experience working on Triumphs, this T100 is positioned as a dependable rider rather than a showpiece, offering a practical and enjoyable vintage ownership experience. Number 10. 1981 Kawasaki KZ750, $2,800, Gaffney, South Carolina. The 1981 Kawasaki KZ750 is a powerful and increasingly rare example of early 1980s Japanese engineering. This particular bike is described as being in mint condition, with approximately 14,000 miles and consistent indoor storage contributing to its well-preserved state. Its bold styling and strong engine performance make it a standout among mid-sized vintage motorcycles. Everything on the bike is reported to be functioning as it should, and it is ridden regularly, indicating solid mechanical health. Known for its speed and performance, it may be better suited for riders with some experience. With a clean title and the option for trades or offers, this KZ750 presents a compelling opportunity for those seeking a fast and well-kept classic Kawasaki. Number 11. 1969 BMW R69US, $12,900, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1969 BMW R69US is a highly respected classic, known for its smooth boxer twin engine and refined engineering. This example underwent a full frame-up restoration after being acquired as a non-running project, including a complete engine overhaul, transmission updates, and rebuilt final drive. Additional work included fresh black paint with white pinstripes, powder-coated frame, and upgraded stainless components. It was later converted to a 12-volt system with original parts included. With nearly 40,000 miles and recent servicing, this R69US stands as a well-sorted and collectible vintage BMW. Number 12. 1977 Yamaha XS 650, $1,500, Minneapolis, Minnesota. The 1977 Yamaha XS 650 is a popular classic twin known for its simplicity and versatility. This example is in good condition, featuring new brakes and solid tires, making it a practical base for riding or customization. It does need a carburetor tune-up, but comes with extra parts to support the process. With under 20,000 miles and a vintage title, this XS 650 offers an affordable and flexible entry into classic motorcycling. Number 13. 1980 Vespa P125X, $4,500, Chicago, Illinois. The 1980 Vespa P125X is a desirable classic scooter, and this example stands out with only 814 miles. Finished in rare blue marina with dealer-installed stripes, it remains largely original aside from a replaced fuel tank. It has been fully serviced and runs as it should, though the original tires will need replacement. With its originality and documentation included, this Vespa is a clean and collectible time capsule. Number 14. 1983 Harley-Davidson Low Rider FXSB, $6,500, Somerset, Wisconsin. The 1983 Harley-Davidson Low Rider FXSB is a clean and well-kept shovelhead cruiser with strong visual appeal. Mostly stock with an upgraded S&S carburetor, it also features a dual-belt drive setup. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, solenoid, battery, and relay. Aside from minor wear on the belt guard, this lowrider presents as a very well-maintained and ready-to-ride classic Harley. Number 15. 1981 Suzuki GS850F, $1,200, Villa Park, Illinois. The 1981 Suzuki GS850F is a solid touring bike known for its smooth inline-4 engine. This example has around 19,000 miles but has been sitting for a few years and currently does not run. The engine turns over with a jump and it will need a new battery and carburetor work to get running again. Priced accordingly, it offers a good project opportunity with strong potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle listings across the United States.